Chapter 6. Factors and multiples. Get ready. What are factors? When two or more numbers are multiplied together, the number which we get as the result is called the product of those numbers. Factors are the numbers which when multiplied give the product. 3 divides 9 exactly with remainder 0. In other words, we say it as 3 is a factor of 9. Similarly, 4 is also a factor of 8 as 4 divides 8. But 6 is not a factor of 8 as 6 does not divide 8 exactly. Find the prime factor of the following numbers: 42, 18, 99. Properties of factors. Property 1. 1 is a factor of every number, not equals 0, as 1 divides every number, not equals 0, exactly. Thus, it is a factor of every number. Property 2. Every number, not equals 0, divides itself exactly. So, every number, not equals 0, is a factor of itself. Thus, every number is a factor of itself. Property 3. Every number, not equals 0, is a factor of 0. For example, 0 divided by 5 equals 0, 0 divided by 25 equals 0, 0 divided by 87 equals 0. Thus, every non-zero number divides 0 exactly. So, every number except 0 is a factor of 0. Property 4. Dividing by 0 is not defined. 8 divided by 0, 7 divided by 0, 5 divided by 0, 15,897 divided by 0, etc. have no meaning. Thus, division by 0 is not defined. Property 5. The factor of a number, not equals 0, is equal to or less than the number. The smallest factor of a number, not equals 0, is 1. The largest factor of a number, not equals 0, is the number itself. Thus, the factor of a number is either less than or equal to the number. 1. 12 apples. 6 times 2 equals 12. 6 is a factor of 12. 2 is also a factor of 12. 2. 12 apples. 4 times 3 equals 12. 4 is a factor of 12. 3 is also a factor of 12. So, all the factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. Example: is 8 a factor of 123? Solution: 123 divided by 8 equals quotient 15, remainder is 3. Conclusion: 8 does not divide 123 exactly as remainder left is 3. Therefore, 8 is not a factor of 123. Example: find all the factors of 64. Solution: 1 times 64 equals 64, 2 times 32 equals 64, 4 times 16 equals 64, 8 times 8 equals 64. Thus, the factors of 64 are 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32 and 64. Example: is 15 a factor of 1350? Solution: let us divide 1350 by 15. Quotient 90, remainder is 0. Conclusion: 15 divides 1350 exactly. Therefore, 15 is a factor of 1350. Common factors. Example: find the common factors of 12 and 16. Solution: factors of 12: 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. Factors of 16: 1, 2, 4, 8, 16. Common factors: 1, 2, 4. Hence, common factors of 12 and 16 are 1, 2 and 4. Example. Find the common factors of 9 and 15. Solution. Factors of 9. 9 divided by 1 equals 9. 9 divided by 3 equals 3. 9 divided by 9 equals 1. Factors of 9 are 1, 3, 9. Factors of 15. 15 divided by 1 equals 15. 15 divided by 3 equals 5. 15 divided by 5 equals 3. Factors of 15 are 1, 3, 5, 15. Hence, common factors of 9 and 15 are 1 and 3. Keep in mind, every number other than 1 has at least two factors, namely the number itself and 1. What are multiples? Factors and multiples are related. The product of two numbers is the multiple of both the numbers. There is a number grid given below. Color every third number as shown. List the numbers you have colored. These are the multiples of 3. We can get the multiples of a number by multiplying it by 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. Properties of multiples. Property 1. Every number not equals 0 is a multiple of itself. For example, 5 times 1 equals 5, 12 times 1 equals 12, 18 times 1 equals 18, 97 times 1 equals 97, etc. So, 5 is a multiple of 5, 12 is a multiple of 12, etc. Property 2. 1 is a factor of every number. So, every number is a multiple of 1. Thus, every number is a multiple of 1. Property 3. Every number not equals 0 is a factor of 0. So, 0 is a multiple of every number not equals 0. Thus, 0 is a multiple of every number not equals 0. So, every non-zero number is a factor of 0. Property 4. Every multiple not equals 0 of a number not equals 0 is either greater than or equal to the number. Clearly, the smallest multiple not equals 0 of 2 is 2, 5 is 5, 7 is 7 and so on. Thus, the above statement is true for every number not equals 0. Example. Find the multiples of 5. Solution. To find the multiples of 5, we multiply it with 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. 5 times 1 equals 5, 5 times 2 equals 10, 5 times 3 equals 15, 5 times 4 equals 20, 5 times 5 equals 25, 5 times 6 equals 30, 5 times 7 equals 35, 5 times 8 equals 40, 5 times 9 equals 45, thus, 5, 10, 15, 20 are the multiples of 5. Example. Is 78 a multiple of 3? Solution. 78 divided by 3. Quotient equals 26, remainder equals 0. 3 divides 78 exactly. So, 78 is a multiple of 3.